Hey guys, get ready with me for Super Bowl 60. I've never done like any get ready with me videos / makeup tutorial videos for the Super Bowl Sunday. This is my first time ever. Oh my god. I cannot wait to do it for all once a year. And now, from now on, I definitely want to do like a get ready with me videos to get ready with me for Super Bowl Sunday. So this is my first time doing a get ready with me for Super Bowl Sunday videos. This is my first time because I haven't done that before. All because I love Super Bowl Sunday. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Fun part is that I'm gonna be making a TikTok transition for the Super Bowl Sunday because I remember my previous TikToks for Super Bowl Sunday. I have never done any of the transitions going from one outfit to another, unlike the previous ones. But this is the first time doing this. I'm excited. Just to show everyone how cool I am, how smart I am. Also, regardless of that, I haven't spoke to my mom about if I want to drop a song, because I'm willing to drop a song on a Friday the 13th, not this month, but next month, which is March, for my new song called Dark Romance. So I did day 1 last month, but now I wanted to do day 2, but I'm not sure where to do other music videos like that, because I just want to look for a certain place to where we can film. I hope for my music video for my upcoming song Dark Romance it will be good, because I didn't start editing yet, but I gotta collect like the video clips, especially the outfits I'm gonna be wearing. Not only I'm gonna wear one outfit, but I might wear at least 2 or 3. So we'll see what happens. The fun fact is I'm gonna be doing like a pre-makeup look for Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day is this weekend. I'm so excited. Yep. We're gonna have a great time. I'm willing to make plans for this year's Valentine's Day because I love this holiday in the winter time. Also, I just wanted to mention I already dropped the video for my national YouTube channel anniversary day as of February the 5th. If you haven't checked it out, but that's on my main YouTube channel where I just celebrated my national holiday of my YouTube channel / career anniversary day. I did not vlog, and again, I'm not vlogging until July the 1st. I got a few days left. I have 5 months to go. This isn't a joke. So praying that by July the 1st, I'll find good solutions, more solutions to spend more time with my friends, because I want my friends to text me about the hangout, do this, do that. We could spend more time together. That way I could be happy and just spend the time with my friends. I'm gonna go with this palette first, and the color I'm gonna be using is this metallic red color. This is a perfect color for Valentine's. I'm gonna do not 1, but 2 or 3 eyeshadow colors for pre-look for Valentine's. I'm not sure what look to wear the day of Valentine's Day, which is February the 14th. But I'm gonna try to figure out, because I love makeup looks for Valentine's Day, because I'm always obsessed with it. I definitely want to get sparkly for Valentine's Day, so I'll figure out what looks to wear and what glitter colors to wear. By the way, I'm gonna go with this palette, and I'm gonna take this sponge applicator. I like to use the brush, but not today. But the color I'm gonna go is this cotton candy pink eyeshadow color. I'm just gonna put it a half right here just to show the red. I'm gonna press it very slowly, that way I can make sure it shows the red. Okay guys, so I did this look. I had to use concealer to cut a crease because I wanted to show not only the red, but the pink as well, as I added like a pink color using the concealer to do a cut crease look. So it's cool. And I want to go with this palette, but the only color I'm going to be using, I think this color, this mauve pink color that I'm really obsessed with. It's a pretty color for Valentine's. I love it because it's like pink. It's like a rose pink color. I'm very excited for Valentine's. So what are your plans for Valentine's? So are you gonna go out? Are you gonna do something fun for Valentine's? Let me know in the comments. And if you don't, that's fine. I understand that whenever you're not gonna do anything on Valentine's, or you're going to do something on Valentine's, because I like this holiday. I love this holiday so much in the winter, which is actually cool though. Wow, I love how the mauve pink turns out in the lower lash line. It's naturally pretty for Valentine's. Oh my god. And if you're wondering, I think one of my nails has this color like that. I think my pinky nails, my pinky finger has this color right here. See? I'm obsessed with this. Alright, so I'm gonna go with this brown liquid eyeliner because my makeup has to stay on for the Super Bowl Sunday. Okay, now I'm just gonna put an eyeliner on a waterline. Just to make it too dark. My makeup has to stay on all night. But I have school the next day, so might as well. Once the game is finished, I gotta go straight to bed right away. Yes, I have an 8 a.m. class the next day tomorrow. Now it's a mascara. I just want to make my lashes more darker. So I definitely wanted to do that. Yep. This makeup's gonna slay for the Super Bowl weekend, especially for Valentine's Day weekend. Alright, now it's time to put on some fake eyelashes. Right here. Hopefully this will stay on until the game finishes. Okay, now let's finish off with the lips. And by the way, I'm gonna go with not one, not two, but 3 of these lip colors using different lip products, of course. I'm gonna take this red lip liner from Wet n Wild. Alright, now let's go with this Don't Blink Pink lipstick from Wet n Wild. This is like a bright pink. Oh my god, this color I just used, it's like a regular dark pink color that I actually did because I mixed not only with the bright red but with the bright pink to make it like a coolest dark pink color. Alright, and to finish off, I want to use this Ultra Beauty Mauve Pink Lips Gloss. I think it's called Rosey. It's like this color. That my friend Gia bought me since for the past 2 years. Because I love that color. I'm really obsessed with it. Okay guys, this is the finished look. And also, wearing this pink baseball hat. But it's a football game though, but I just like wearing it just for fun because it's a special day to watch the Super Bowl. So that's cool though. Okay guys, so thanks for watching this Get Ready With Me video for Super Bowl Sunday. And hopefully I will do more of these Get Ready With Me videos like this for Super Bowl Sundays. I will do that from now on going forward every year because it only pops out annually. Right, so thank you all for watching. Hope you have fun watching the Super Bowl, especially the halftime show. If you're watching this, that'll be fun. If not, that's fine. You don't have to watch the entire thing. But anyways, make sure to subscribe for more great content and see you on my next video. Love you guys. Bye.